Okay, guys, so a lot of you, some of the funniest moments on my show is where I fail miserably. This could be a recipe that I don't like. I'm trying an experiment. I'm taking an easy rice pudding recipe. I'm replacing the rice with this thing called Shirataki rice. You ever hear that? You've heard of Shirataki noodles. That's what pasta zero is. Well, this is called Shirataki rice. And then I'm doing sugar substitute, and I'm trying to make it a healthy version, so you're not making rice pudding with rice or sugar, and you're making it with healthy ingredients, all right? That won't kill your body. So anyway, let's give this a try. I'm going to predict it's not going to come out good, but you never know. I've shocked myself. So let's start putting this all together. I looked for one of the easiest rice pudding recipes on the internet. It's called Easy Rice Pudding. So this is easy keto rice pudding. You guys ready? Come on in close. By the way, my wife is complaining in the background. She wants producer credits since she's running the camera. She's pulling out all the ingredients and everything. So let's go over all the ingredients. You ready? This is Shirataki rice. I had to order this through Amazon on the internet. There's different brands. Then you got vanilla, butter. You got Swerve. This is the granulated Swerve. They also have a brown one. I just found that out. A brown, like a brown sugar, but it's a brown Swerve. I think that's pretty cool. You got cinnamon and dairy milk. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm a little concerned with. This is what I ordered on the internet. This is a Japanese root that's been chopped up to look like rice. The reason rice pudding is so good is because the rice absorbs the milk and the sugar over the cooking process, and the vanilla, and the rice is sweet and creamy. But I'm not sure, this is kind of gelatinous or gelatinous or whatever, kind of jelly-like. I've never worked with this before. I don't know if it's going to absorb any of the flavor. If not, we're just sweetening the milk around it. We'll try it out, okay? So this is what the Shirataki rice looks like up close. So basically, this recipe is real easy. You put everything in the pot, and then you simmer it down until it's thick and delicious. So here we go. We got the rice in the stock pot. So we're going to start with, there are different amounts. Read the recipe. We're treating this as it's a cooked rice because it's a root already. So we're pouring 3 cups of milk. If it's uncooked, it's 4 cups of milk. Read the directions carefully. They'll be down below in the description box. Then you take your sweetener, put that in there. Take your salt, put that in there. A little bit of cinnamon, put that in there. Okay, turn it on and bring it to a vigorous simmer. There we go. Are we lit? Yep, I see a flame. The thing with rice pudding, if you're cooking real rice pudding, stir, stir, stir. It will stick to the bottom, and we're going to stir this up nice. Get it all blended. Okay, so it says bring it to a vigorous simmer. That's kind of a rolling simmer or a vigorous simmer. I wouldn't go any higher than that, or you'll lose control. It'll start foaming up and it'll spill over. It's a big mess. So that's a vigorous simmer right there. Keep stirring like every minute. Give it a stir. Okay, guys, my whole life, every time I made rice pudding, I've always wanted to take it off sooner than I should have taken it off. Now, we are thickening it right now. We got a nice start. We're almost done, but we can't be impatient. Let the milk reduce. Let it get creamy. You'll see rippling with the milk. Don't take it off too soon, okay? So go ahead and keep simmering this down. Then we'll go to the next step. Now, I do know this is going to thicken as it cools, but I'm starting to see a lot of lumps of rice, and I don't want to start burning it. It looks beautiful still, so I'm going to take a chance to take it off now because a lot of the rice is showing through the milk, and then I'm going to put in my next step. So let's pull it off. Okay, now it's time to take your butter. This is optional, just for flavor. So I'll put some butter in there. And vanilla. Dumping that in. Gonna mix those up till the butter's all melted and it's all incorporated. And the vanilla will get mixed in too. Okay, guys, so that's the final result. Still, it's hot. We had to pull it out of the fridge. It was still a little loose, and cook down the milk even more. Like I say, I always pull it off too soon. I'm famous for that. Tammy cooked it down a little bit longer. She encouraged me to take it a little bit further. So now it's cooling right now. It's got some cinnamon on top. And then we're probably going to give that a taste later on. Maybe tomorrow. We'll give it a quick taste. All right, guys, I can smell the sweetness. I can smell the cinnamon. So let's give it a try right now. Little gummy, little rubbery too. Okay, the rice tastes like snot. Exactly what I thought. Did you ever have those boba drinks in California? We had what had the rubbery balls of something at the bottom. That's what it tastes like. It's sweet. It's cinnamon snot. That's all it is. It's really bad. I don't know what I was thinking. You can't make rice pudding with anything else. You probably can't make it with the rice cauliflower. You probably can't make it with the shirataki noodles. You need the rice to absorb the milk and the sugar and everything else. So I don't recommend this recipe at all. It didn't come out well. So we're just going to toss this out and just say goodnight, I guess. All right? Gosh, it's been a while since I made crap. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.